Happy day students, this is the second part of the chapter 4, July portion for class 9, design and formatting a web page. Okay, so next you are going to see topics covered. I just revised through the chapter for you and we will go to the lab activity. So usage elements, so I already told you if you want to practice at home, you just have to, notepad will be always there in your system, so just copy it over there and run it in a browser. Yes, we have seen the usage elements like heading, paragraph, center, comment break, HR. I showed you through a program how it works. Yes, then the appearance text like bold, italic, we have seen subscript and superscript, we have seen how underline works. Then the last topic of this is changing font size, text color and background. Okay, so this time when you are doing a lab activity, the lab activity is a combination of all these, particularly the changing font size, text color and backgrounds. So we are going with a font. Font, you know, right? We have Times New Roman. Yeah. In your Word document, I am giving you example because all of we can relate with Word document more easily than HTML document. So Word documentation we use font like Times New Roman, Calc. Yes. Then we have font size. The size we give 25, 44, right or not? Then font color like green, blue, yellow. So these over here you can see font is to change the typeface or name of the font. So you have to font face, then you have to give that font type, then you have to close the font. So if you are using anyone, like all three if you are using, only once you need to close the font. Yes, then font size, you have to give the particular size. Where the question mark is there, you have to mention the size. Similarly, font color, where the question mark is there, and please note in computer science color spelling is CLOR, not the normal color spelling which we learn. Yes, it's not that is wrong. The thing is like computer understands this. This is the spelling that we are giving for computer, for the spelling color. Yes, then we have in this base font. Base font means is a set of font faces, size, color, other attributes of the whole HTML document. Yes, so you can give the base font in the question mark over there. You can see right over there. You can give the color. For one, first one is background. So background you have to mention the background color. It can be red, blue. So you have to mention the color over there in the double quotes. Then link. Link we have totally three like A link, B link. So link is basically if unvisited links in a document we say, if you have noticed when you're browsing in the Google or in your browser, the ones which you already visited will be in a particular purplish shade of the blue and which you are not visited will be in blue color. Yes, so that is activated link, visited link, active link and that has been visited link. So that is A link and B link. Yes, for that also you can, it's up to you. You are the person who is designing the web page, right? So in your case, you can give the particular color. Yes, then we have top margin and left margin. So top margin, of course, it's a top margin of the web page, sets the left margin of the web page, right? So now we are going to see the lab activity. I don't know how far you can see the screen. So as you please note that this first line is in green, then blue, then there is a white text over here. Okay, so I'll just explain you the program. If you do it at home, if possible, if you're doing it at home, if the system is free and you'll be able to do it at home, you will be able to understand the chapter more. So okay, before I continue with the lab, this is a lab question that you're supposed to write in your classwork, followed by in a box. You have to write this thing in a box. Yes, then you are supposed to write the source code. Okay, so over here source code HTML, of course is HTML. So we have to start with head. It's clear for you. Title, so success secret is a title. So success secrets. Then you have that we are close at the header tag. Then comes the body. Over here we are given background should be yellow. You can see our background is yellow. Then we are seeing the first section as a shortcut to success should be in green and size should be 7. Yeah. Next we are, so for each of them we will be, next line is in blue, next is in white, next line has a stripe, the other one has an underline. So according to each whatever the output is demanding, we are writing our code. So here horizontal size 10 I have given. First homeward, because this is a font is given as homeward, Lucia, all other fonts that we are using over here. Okay, because if you understand the first line, yes, I hope you understood the first line. Similarly, as the output, like if it's first line for was green, so I mentioned over here green. The next, if it's blue, I have to change just the color over here as blue. Yes, if the font size over here is super black, whatever as per the instruction given in the lab activity, we are mentioning the font sizes. Okay, so do not get panic. Already the instructions are there in page number 37, but over there they are just given the instructions. Over here on screen, I am written write the code for you. Yes. So as per the instruction given in the lab activity, we have completed it. Yes. I hope the lab activity is clear for you. Yes, students. So, okay then. So, with that, we are winding up the chapter. I completed even explaining the lab activity. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.